Hello everyone. So for today's video, let's talk about PSA birth certificate process flow chart. So ito yung mga gagawin nyo kung kukuha kayo ng birth certificate once nandun na kayo sa office. So step 1, which is completed na yung dala yung mga documents, okay? Yung mga supporting documents like your IDs. Like for the walk-in, you need your field ID. And also, online appointment kung wala kayong field ID. Kasi yung pwede lang makapag-walk-in is yung my field ID. Okay, step 1 po is go to the back area. May guard po sa likod na mag-a-assist sa inyo. Just ask to the security guard kung ano yung kukunin nyo. If birth certificate ba, yun yung gray. Marriage certificate, yun yung pink. Senomar or advisory of marriage, yun yung yellow-green. Or death certificate, yun yung yellow, okay? So, mag-fill up kayo doon. After fill up, pa-check nyo sa guard kung meron kayong online appointment or field ID for walk-in. So, once natawagin na kayo ng guard, so, mag-line up kayo doon for step 2, screening na. So, sa screening, si staff po ng PSA is mag-aasa inyo kung anong documents yung kukunin nyo. Like, for example, birth certificate, so yung gray form yung papakita nyo. Tapos, yung ID nyo ipakita nyo, field ID kung walk-in, online appointment naman kung walang field ID. Step 3, yun na yung bibigyan kayo ng number. So, yung number niyon usually is, ang dami nag-confuse nito. Kasi yung number na ibibigay sa inyo is for releasing na yan. Yung cashier is, kung ano yung bakanting cashier, punta ka agad kayo, okay? Kung may nakalinya, sunod lang kayo sa next na taong sinundan nyo. Step 4 is releaser. Yun na yung number na binigay ni screener, yun yung makikita or lalabas sa releaser. Ngayon po, kung meron kayong mga assistance clarifications about your PSA documents, dun po yung tanong sa PACD, okay? Public Complaints and Assistance Desk. So sila po yung magpo-provide ng inyong mga questions, clarifications, at saka yung kunwari may namali sa inyong documents. So hopefully, nakatulong ako sa vlog na to for applying PSA birth certificate or to get your PSA documents. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day!